So we're going to be dropping the cradle on this thing. He basically broke the same thing that mine broke. So easiest thing to do is remove this guy here, these two bolts. Move your caliper, these two bolts back here. Then the next step after that, we removed e-brake here. And then we removed the bolt right here. You guys know on our next step. So we're going to move this sway bar first. Goes across to there. Space the two bolts up here, two bolts on that far side, and we got the two bolts over here. Gets removed. Getting these off using 18 and then a 6 Allen key. Goes down in there. So you got a long bolt that goes here. Pull this out. Pull the bolt out that goes here. Last bolt is up in here. Once you get that out, the whole rear end will drop. So take some video while we're done. Got the white Roush here. About got the rear end dropped. So basically, just remove the caliper. Bolts up here. Sway bar comes out. Just a handful of bolts. It's got the one spindle off, got the axle out. Alright. And we definitely fucked it up, kind of like mine. Let's see, slice this bitch way in half. You're going to take out the other side, and then we'll move on. So we're a little confused. I think these are either DSS or G-Force. In your guys' opinion, the video let me know. We fucked up this boot here even better. So these are from my old 350, and these are stock. These guys right here. So we are not sure, but I guess we're making a call to DSS and G-Force and asking about these. So we've got both spindles out, and we're still tearing it down. Got the diff out. This here done. The only part that's really chewed up, but it's not terrible. What's your opinion of the BMR pieces on this that caused you all your destruction?
Oh, well, they're a gift that keeps on giving. It'll give you a day like this where you get to have all this fun.
Yeah, fucking great. We need to get, I think, a 24 to get that off, and then get the rear other control arms off. That's really it. Not really too much left to do. It's been a fun afternoon in the freezing Missouri weather.